So the first thing I started browning and crumbling. This is a pound, you could do a pound and a half of ground chicken. So this is gonna make this really easy. I do like to add a touch of olive oil. This is some olive oil from Stock Market in Shawano because this is so lean that it needs a little bit of oil to kind of get it going. And I just wanna make it nice and crumbly. And just cook it until it's no longer pink. The other thing we're gonna add is your favorite wing sauce. So it depends what brand you like. I'm going classic here. I just kind of eyeball it. And then sometimes I'll add a touch of water, like you're making taco meat, just so that the sauce really absorbs into the meat. And we're just gonna let that hang out for a minute. Toss it together with the sauce. Oh, like the smell of wing sauce, my mouth just starts watering. Like I'm all in. Anything buffalo wing related, bring it on. And if it's a dip, even better, because I'm a dipper. This is so great with tortilla chips or even like carrot sticks and celery sticks if you're keeping it a little bit lighter. Okay, so we'll let that kind of hang out and do its thing. Might need a little more of the sauce. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's move on to the first layer of this dip. So we've got our ground chicken hanging out with our buffalo sauce, and we need a nice creamy layer. This is gonna be layer number one. This is a layer dip that you're gonna do in a casserole dish, and it's really fun to see the different layers. So I'm doing this in a clear glass casserole dish, but whatever dish you wanna do it in. So I'm gonna start out with 1 block of softened cream cheese. If it's at room temperature, this is gonna come together way easier. And then I'm gonna do a packet of dry ranch dip mix. But whenever I go to try and make something with ranch, a packet, I never seem to have the packet. So this is lovely. This is actually dry ranch dip dressing mix from Bulk Price Food Shop. And it comes in a big container. You get a whole lot of it for a really great value. And then just pop the top on, and then you've got this for lots of different dips and recipes. I use dry ranch dip and dressing mix and more than just making dips and dressing. It really pumps up the flavor in a lot of the recipes like this one. So I'm gonna first get the cream cheese and the ranch seasoning kind of combined. It's important to have that cream cheese at room temperature because all the lumps and bumps are easier to make it nice and smooth and creamy, and you want to take the time to do that. And now we're going to add 16 ounces of sour cream. And yes, you could use light sour cream and light cream cheese. And this is going to be the cool and the creamy to the kick of the buffalo. Just checking on my chicken here, and that sauce is starting to cook down. We don't want this really liquidy. I don't know if liquidy is the word, but we want that liquid absorbed. You get what I'm talking about. This is looking perfect. We don't want it too saucy, you know? I'm gonna pull it off and let it cool a second. And now we're gonna mix that sour cream into the cream cheese and 1 packet of dry ranch. Or the ranch seasoning mix. Get this all combined. And this is layer number 1. Okay, so now we're gonna take that and we're gonna put it into our casserole dish. Kind of spread it like a cake. The key with a layer dip, and I've been making 7-layer Mexican dips for ages. I love that you can make them ahead. And they're always a wow factor. So if you like a good layered taco dip, this is something a little bit different and perfect for the big game. And if you're going to somebody else's house for the big game, do not come empty-handed or go empty-handed. This would be perfect to bring. So just kind of spread that out. This is going to be layer number 1. It's going to look real pretty on your game day parade or buffet. Okay, so now the next layer is going to be our taco meat. And at home, I want you to make sure that this is a little bit cooler. So you can even pop it in the fridge or the freezer if you're making this all at once and you want to hurry things along. Best if this is a little bit cool, so we don't want to melt that mixture underneath. So just kind of carefully spread that, but trying not to mix it in. We just want it to sit on top. All right, the next layer is some lettuce. So I am a huge fan of romaine lettuce. It's got the same great crunch as iceberg, but it's so much better for you. So no one will, if you make the swap at home, no one will know the difference in tacos and lots of your recipes on salads. And I love this dip because it's got about 4 to 6 cups of lettuce. So I'm a dipper. And at game day, I'm all about the game day spread. And a good game, too. Don't get me wrong. I want a good game, and I want a real good game day spread. So if I've got a dip that's got bunches of lettuce in it, I feel good about it, right? Kind of turns into a meal. And sometimes my husband and I will just do a dip like this and call it dinner, or a couple of different things. And all of a sudden, the appetizers turn into dinner. And for me, that's a really good night. So go ahead and pile on the lettuce, just like you would a layered taco dip. It's just something fresh and crunchy. And again, we've got the cool layer with the cream cheese and the sour cream on the bottom. Then we've got that spicy layer with the buffalo chicken, but not too spicy, depending on the type of sauce you're using. That's why you can really control this. You know, if your family really goes all in and they want the super hot buffalo wing sauce, well, you know, go for it. But this is not all that spicy. We just kind of went middle of the road. And I think that's important if you're having people over for the game, that you keep it mild for them. And you can always serve jalapenos and extra wing sauce on the side. All right, so here's how we're going to finish this. We're going to do some cheese on top. I'm just doing some shredded Mexican blend cheese. If you're a tomato person, you could add some finely diced tomatoes. Blue cheese, I'm going to keep this as optional, people. I know a lot of people love wings, and they're loving this dip so far. And in my house, if I put blue cheese on this, canceled out half my family, or even more. I'm the only one in my family, actually, who likes blue cheese. So for me, I'm going to keep that on the side, and I can put that on my little version. But if you like blue cheese, go ahead and we'll throw a little bit of crumbled blue cheese on the top. But again, that's optional and totally up to you. I always like to buy blue cheese in the wedge and then crumble it myself. Just think it makes such a difference. Let me wash my hands here. That blue cheese was a little bit soft. And then the next thing we're going to do is just garnish it with some green onion, which are going to give some nice flavor and also look real pretty on top. So throw some green onions. The green and the white are fine. And one more thing to kind of let everyone know, this is a buffalo chicken wing dip, because I see the blue cheese on there, so that might be the giveaway. But I like to kind of drizzle a little bit of the wing sauce on top. And you could even set this wing sauce, buy it, to just let everybody know. This is buffalo wing dip. There you go. Perfect to get the party started at your game day get together. And we'll put the recipe for this on the website.